So I've moved down to the eagle. I'm starting to do the feathers. And what I've done here is I've outlined the head of the eagle, and then I'll do free motion on the feathers on the head. And you could see I started the feathers. And the beginning of this project, in the previous video, if you remember, I did a illustration of the eagle and how the direction of the feathers I wanted to go. So I'm referring to this. I keep on going back to this, and it really helps because this is so large. It's hard to see on the frame like how I want to do the feathers. So I really do refer to this, and it helps me a lot. So I am going to continue doing this section, and this will be free motion. I took the ruler plate off the machine so it's lighter, and I could move farther down the frame so it won't hit the bar. I've also marked very lightly in chalk, I don't know if you could see it here, to block off when I want the directions of the feathers to change. So this area, I want it to go a certain direction, and then on the other side of this chalk mark, I will start a different section, different direction. So that helps me not cross over. So here you can see I continued marking just some random lines on the feathers. These feathers I felt were kind of elongated, so I didn't want to do flowing soft stitching. I wanted to continue with these long lines, just, you know, whatever took my fancy. There's no pattern really. I was just kind of going up and down. It will be easier to stitch, so I don't have to think about where I'm going. And then these chalk marks are really easy to erase. So I wasn't quite sure what I wanted to do with the claws. I was just going to stitch in a couple of the ditches, and I kind of got carried away, and I ended up going in, I think, every seam there, every ditch. But you know what? It's fine. I kind of like the way it looks. So I finished the claws. Here's a little preview of my next video, part 6, which will be all the sections of the ground. I did a different fill in each section. So if you like this video, please click the like button. And if you don't want to miss that video, please press the subscribe button. And thank you for watching. You guys have a great day.